Here comes your pre-market summary for Friday, September 2nd. It's non-farm payrolls day. It's August non-farm payrolls day. Market's a little change here ahead of this number coming up at 8:30. All eyes going to be on this number as it is a key gauge used by the Fed and decision making going forward. So we'll have that for you live as you join us here at 8:30 this morning. That's that's how the markets look right now. About 0.25% for the Nasdaq, the Dow, and the S&P, chopping around, waiting this data to come out. We're coming off a relatively flat performance yesterday as well as we head into the long holiday weekend here. Here's a few things we're watching in the pre-market this morning. Yeah, futures pretty much flat here as we saw there ahead of this non-farm payrolls number. Join us at 8:30. We'll have that for you. Here comes NVDA, the chip makers, all back on watch here, back to the downside this morning. Fresh round of downgrades to deal with this morning, not only on NVIDIA, not only on AMD, but the entire group coming off this news yesterday that the U.S. will prevent chip companies from exporting AI-specific chips directly to China. So we'll have a look at some of the chip makers once again. Lululemon sharply higher here in the pre-market, holding on to gains from aftermarket yesterday. Blowout report, great forecast for LULU, looking great here to start things off. Bed Bath & Beyond, an interesting look here this morning. They hired, so Bed Bath & Beyond, the company hired Jefferies as a part of this restructuring, the brokerage side of Jefferies. Then Jefferies analyst comes out this morning with a price target hike, more than doubling their target price for BBBY. Back in action for Bed Bath & Beyond. Piper Sandler, speaking of price target raises, Piper Sandler going to $360 already for Tesla shares. Back to the upside in pre-market. And PDD on watch as well. They've already launched this Temu website, e-commerce site in the U.S. Make sure you sign up for the watch list, guys. We send it out to you every single morning before we come on, and it goes right to your inbox now. Use a QR code on screen right now. Remember, August jobs data coming at 8:30. Join us on TraderTV.Live.